In this lesson, we're going to learn about how to compare sparklines in a sparkline group. Okay, so let's find out what is a sparkline group. This is called a singular sparkline, and this is called a sparkline group because we highlighted all the data range that you wanted, then for the sparklines to come from, and then we did the range of all the sparklines, how they are going to be tabulated and where. So all the sparklines came from compared to the already information data that we had highlighted. So once we pasted the area where we wanted the sparklines to appear, it became part of a sparkline group. Okay, so once you've created a sparkline group, you can the sparkline over here in cell G2, let's say in cell G2 the value of 21 and the value of G3 the value of 22, the sparkline heights minimum and maximum are quite different. They're not relatively to equal to each other. Okay, let's say for example I have here, then type 21, then enter the information. You can clearly see that this sparkline which is going downwards is not the same as this one. Okay, even though the information of both of the cells are 21, so it means the sparkline is basically generating for each row and not as a whole. So if you want all the sparklines to be reflective of the same information which is given in the row, so that you can be able to compare them accordingly, what you need to do is click over here, then click on Sparkline Tools, Design, then click on Axis, then here in this section called Vertical Axis Minimum Value Options, the default option is automatic for each sparkline. We don't want that. We want it to be the same for all sparklines within the same sparkline group. So we say same for all sparkline group, the minimum, and in the vertical axis maximum value options, instead automatic for each sparkline, we want it to be same for all sparklines. Okay, so you can see here the 21 and the 21 here are almost similar, and they are compared at the same rate for each and every information that is within this particular sparkline group. And that is how you compare sparklines within a sparkline group. See you in the next lesson.